Say hello to the Volkano Kids 10-inch tablet, designed to turn playtime into brain time. With pre-installed Iwawa software, children can enjoy Montessori Games, ABC and 1-2-3 learning, STEM activities, arts and crafts, plus safe mini-games, all available offline. The bright 10-inch HD IPS touchscreen is perfect for little learners, while the durable silicone bumper case helps protect against everyday drops. The built-in carry handle doubles as a convenient stand, making it easy to use anywhere. Parents can enjoy added peace of mind with app time limits, browser controls, profile lock, and safe offline mode. With 32GB of storage, 3GB of RAM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cameras, and expandable memory of up to 128GB, the Volkano Kids Tablet is made for learning, creativity, and fun. Volkano Kids. Smarter screen time starts here.